Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Maya here. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're returning subscriber, welcome back. So today is another video. Na tuko kwa barabara, so bear with the noise. So we are going to the market. We have a bonfire, a youth bonfire. And I'm here with this kaga here. We are going to do some shopping. Watu wenyewe wasilale njaa. So come with us to the market and the whole of this video, please enjoy, okay? Dress ni kubwa. This is the direction from the stage. You can see uko kwenye mnaona uko mbali ni highway. So unaingia tu. It is actually the first one here, but I would prefer uende yenye iko chini. They are branch still. It have better meat. Walikuwa wametuwekea mifupa mob, but tulicomplain hadi zikatolewa. Imagine nyama ya foke ilikuwa mifupa ya 1600. But we complained, and then next we went to buy spices, and that is all they this guy had out of spices and cereals. Ako tu next na hiyo nini, please go and patronize his business. Next step, soko, kununua 1, 2, 3. Hizo nyanya zilikuwa zinakaa fiti, nilikuwa nasikia kushopadi za home, but tulikuwa na mizigo mob. Then pineapples, and then finally tukaenda super. I thought it is a small shopping, but tulichukua almost 4 hours in the market. And this is the only things that we needed from the supermarket. And then we went home. So the first thing that I found these people doing walikuwa wamepanga games. Oh, so much of them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Hi. Hi. Baby G, hi. Move this thing off my face. That's what you are doing. That's chill. Tiwan. Hi guys. Hi. 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 Hello. Hey, chess lovers. Check hiyo.
Why would I down when he always comes through? My God, he really moves on. Come on, sing the verse, y'all. I know he loves me. I know he cares. Whenever. Mike makes his move and Joy down.
I think after memaliza you'll teach me this thing because I guess it's a mind-blowing kind of game, right? I'll join you. It looks very interesting. Yeah.
Ngoja. Hi. How are you? Tuko wapi? Tuko huku ni wapi? Mwalimu wa math. Nelly. Hi. Tuko wapi? Tuko ni wapi? Maris. Hi. Tuko wapi?
Oh, tuko Bonfire.
Yeah. Joy. Mwenye dimples. Hi. How are you? Hi. Tuko wapi?
Tuko Iruga.
Tuko
Iruga.
Iruga gani hiyo? Yeah. Semeni hi. Sema hi. Atoe sema hi. Aya Ken, sema hi kwanza. Tuko wapi?
Tuko Bonfire.
Aha, Peter. Sema hi. Hey, Elvis. We gangster. Ai, ni nini? Gangster. Tuko wapi? Tuko sherehe ya Yesu. Sherehe ya Yesu.
Nani amini ni sherehe bana?
Ya Yesu. Hi.
Nataka mbegu ya huyu. Iko Kenya.
Iko. Trust me. Iko.
Huku, around?
Iko hapa. Tutaonyesha later. Hi. Simseme hi. Kila mtu awave. Yes. Oh, sorry. Njia hiyo. Imba kidogo. Na Mary, niko hapa. Na Maris. Na Joy pia add hapo. Yeah.
Uweka selfie
Mpaka pimpu.
Ulisema ya kwamba utania.
Iko safi. Oi.
Mnaimba wimbo kidogo. Dancini kidogo. Dance. Thank you. Hata kuangalia mbali by the way ni wewe. Go. Napita, imba kidogo. Dance kidogo basi. Sema subscribe. Aya, waambie like and share. Yes, thank you. Maris, sunipe carrot nione kama tutaona future husband. Thank you. Hi Mary.
Hi.
What are you preparing?
I'm preparing red pepper.
Yeah.
Oh, ready.
Nelly.
Prepare vitu machozi.
Yeah, tunaona mnalilia my exes wenyu hapo hivyo. Diram hi.
Hi.
Unajua unalilia future yako.
Hapa pilipili.
Hi Maya.
Hi.
What are you preparing?
Everything. I'm the head chef.
Head chef.
Executive chef.
Okay. Hi Joy.
Hello.
What are you preparing?
I'm just supervising.
Okay. Oh, okay, Madam Boss. Hi Maris. Tumetoka kwa head chef na wewe ni nani?
So I'm preparing a bit of peas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ugana Gikuyu.
Yeah, peas.
Watu wangu hawajui Kikuyu dha.
Okay.
And of course vibes.
All right. Hi Ken. Una prepare nini? Oh, ni sous chef. The chicken. The sous chef. Hi Elvis.
Hi.
Una prepare nini? Ma vibes.
Napika tu nini?
Mawages ni Maya.
Mazee nitawapikia ndengu.
Dengu. Guys, say hi. Here we have the game organizers.
Yeah. Wait, Master Chef. Executive chef. Oh, I'm sorry. Maris, sema neno. Hey, sema hi, Mike.
Hello.
Tuko hapa sasa, sema hi. Ken, salimiana jamani. Moshi tu. Shadi, how? Yaya. Mr. Chairman.
My name is Chair.
Yeah.
Na nimeokoka.
Yeah. Uzuri. Bye. Elvis, say hi.
Hi.
Hapana, rushwa hapa kidogo. Nelly. Hey. Twende Diram. Hey, Joy. Hey, hapa hivi tuko na Mike na potato wedges. Hey. Mike, sasa utusalimie kidogo jamani. Hey. And then we have Mary. Yeah. Hey. Twende. Hey. Here we have Rose, aka the mother on duty, and Baby G.
Babysitting.
Hey. Okay. Zoom in. Here we have Mike. What did you bring, Mike?
My name is Michael. I'm making potato wedges. And it's going to the oven as you can see. So see that.
Unafilaje? Unafeel fiti? Nice.
As you can see.
Wow,
Yeah.
nice one.
Merekodi hadi hapa.
Anachukua hii? Nani anachukua hii? Chukua hii mpeleke. Haina moto. Osha vyombo si mwenda kutafuta maji na sufuria. Ama mnaosha na baridi mpate homa. Hatuna tabia nini watu?
And finally, after 50 hours, pilau was ready. And then we also did some vegetable rice that we didn't plan for, but many people turned out than we expected. It didn't come out very well, but it was tasty. And some potato wedges, some beef, dry fry, and chicken.
What is
Nyama ndio imeisha. Siongeze hata kuni tukuone. Ni yeye naambia ongeze kuni tumuone. Isiisha wa.
So there were so many games, but I ended up doing only this one, chess. I learned chess during COVID, chess, Ludo, and all those games, but I only did this one. And I was playing with somebody who had defeated so many people, and I expected that he was going to defeat me. But I ended up defeating him, and I was so happy. So I was just recording, nikimuwin, msishangae why it is not continuous. Nilikuwa nakata, and then naona, huyu naenda kumkula vibaya hapa, wacha nichukue. So the first game was easy, like sikungangana hata kumshinda. And then, afterwards, mtuona mwenye nilicheza naye, I think he didn't know anything about chess. There's a lady that was doing chess when we got there, and I wanted to pray with her, but sikupata chance, and I wish I did, because mi natakanga mwenye anasema Canada anajua, mi nakuja hapo. Yeah, anyway, so it was just fun. People were doing other games. And then towards the end, we did another parts of games. You're going to see it. I didn't record much because at this point, the people I gave my phone to record, they did a very good job. I think walikuwa record everybody apart from one guy mwenye alienda kuchukuliwa, nikaona he's not comfortable. Huyo ndio tu nilimtoa, and I don't love recording people who are not comfortable. And even if you ever see a camera before you na ni yangu and then you tell me that you're not comfortable, I'm going to remove it. So
hi Maya,
nimeshinda moja, 2 more to go. Get to know the winner.
Ako wapi? Nani amelose? Nani huyo? Nani huyo? Nani huyo amelala hapa? Ni nani huyu?
Our secretary.
Nani huyo amedoze? Sasa nichukue hawa. There's the fire. There's the fire, guys. There's the fire. Say hi, guys. Kwanza sema hi. Yeah. Hawa ndio wanaoosha vyombo. Chairman, tutasemaje? Hey. Hey. Yeah. Aya. The ladies. The ladies. Huyu ni nani? Ni nani huyo? Chairman, inua uso watu wakuone. Hapa nyuma kuna wengine, semeni hi hata kama moshi ina affect. Semeni hi. Sema maoni yako ni yapi? Hajabambika kuwa hapa. Hapa kuna wanaofanya moshi ifikie wanaosha vyombo.
Unasemanga kishisha.
Tunasemaje? Content lazima. Utasemaje? Maoni yako ni yapi kuhusu Bonfire?
Watu wakikuja fomu wanachangamka.
Mmesikia hiyo? Bas. Salimiana Stan. Salimianeni. Semeni hi. Utasemaje? Utaambia watu waje? Hiyo ni noma. Wave to the camera. Wave. Punguza kiele.
I love teaching people this game, but again I love seeing people fail. So mwenye nilikuwa nacheza naye hapa nilipata ameongea, hey, me I know, nikasema haya tucheze. And then nilianza kumwangushia mabishop, maprawn. Anyway, it was a nice game. I think I did this with so many people to a point that sikuenda any other board games, and nilikuwa nataka kucheza nini inaitangwa jenga. Sasa shida sikuenda. Ona vile nilikuwa nimemkula watu wa maana. Anyway, I know kukula it's not a good term, but anyway, you understand what I'm saying. So there were so many board games as you saw in the beginning of this part of the night. But I wish I went to the rest because sasa nilikuwa nafanya kitu yenye najua zaidi. And yes, I think the people who recorded for me anafaa tu kumlipa the director, but wherever you are kujia mshahara. Nilikuwa na edit nasema haya isigejua. And then if you didn't see yourself in this video, just know niliona you are not comfortable, don't come for me. There is a guy alimuliza, kwa nini video? I deleted it because alipatwa press. And I didn't want him to be seen. I think he was not comfortable. He's a very confident person, but I think mtu apende kurekod, so I didn't record that.
Tuonekane. Hey banange.
So after the games, we sat down for the final game, that was Mafia. Ilikuwa inaitwa sijui Mafia ni ya cards. I'll explain that some other day. So after this, we went home with the ones we were supposed to go to our place. We striped, took breakfast, took lunch, and then we all dispersed. And I thank you for watching up to this point. If you have come up to this point, send me some orange hearts, and I'm going to know that you have come up to the end. Love you all.